guys, welcome back to my channel, and if this is your first time here, I'm Katie and I make videos all about DIY and style, and today I'm doing sort of a two-part video. I'm going to be doing a thrift haul to show you what I picked up at Goodwill the other day to decorate for fall, and I'm going to show you how I'm actually using them around my house to decorate. I'm kind of doing a little centerpiece tablescape idea, but really these could be used anywhere, like a little dresser, a table, or even your mantle. So I just wanted to share them with you. And this video is also a collaboration with two amazing ladies here on YouTube. One of them is Erin of Gentle Thrifty Mama, and she is just like a thrifting queen. So she's going to be doing a fall thrifting video as well. So you've got to go check her out. And then Patricia from Living Even Keeled, who's also a really great thrifter. So make sure you check both of their channels out. I will leave them in the description box down below. I can't wait to see what they come up with. So I want to get started by showing you what I found at Goodwill the other day. So like I said, the first part of this video is just going to be a very quick thrift haul, but if you want to skip ahead to the decorating, I'll leave the timestamp in the description box down below so you can do that. So the first thing that I picked up were these two candle holders, candlesticks. They're 4 pillar candles, and they were $3 a piece, and I thought that was a really good deal. I liked the size of them. I got 2 different sizes, but I thought that they would be pretty easy to kind of like stagger. I liked the height difference, so I grabbed those. I thought they were a really good deal. Continuing on with candle holders, because I did get a few of these, I picked up these 2 taper candle holders, which were $2 each, and I just liked the size of them again, and I'm going to spray paint them actually, I think, to give them a little bit of a transformation. Next up, I found this wood taper candle holder, and I don't even know if I'm going to put a candle in it. I just thought it was really cool. There's only one of them. It was $3, and it kind of gave me like a mid-century modern vibe, which I really like. So I just like the shape of it, so I went ahead and picked that up. I thought that this jar was really pretty. It already has sort of like a gold wheat and floral pattern on it, and that just seemed perfect for fall to me, so that was $2, and I grabbed that. And then I also found this $2 unscented LED battery operated candle, so I thought that I could use that to put inside the jar, and that would be really pretty. And the last of the candle holders is this guy, just sort of like a grayish silver taper candle holder, and I will definitely be spray painting him as well, so I picked that up. I found this leaf garland. It's got wire inside, so it's bendable, and it was only $1, so I knew that I could definitely find something to do with this. This is actually a gold wall decor piece. I think you're just supposed to hang it on the wall, but it was $2, and I thought of an idea that I could use it for just on my table to kind of dress it up for fall, so I was really excited to find this. This was hidden under a bunch of other stuff, so I don't know how long it had been there, but I was so excited. It was only $1, and it's just this little white pumpkin plate sort of like tray with a gold stem, and I was like super pumped to grab this because I'm really into whites, blacks, and metallics in my decorating, so this was like the best thing that I probably found that day. And again, it was only $1. So my Goodwill had a bunch of hearth and hand items, and so I got 2 of these little bud vase houses that I've seen at Target a lot, and I just never got a chance to pick any up, but they were each $2. I think they were originally $8, so I was really excited to find these. And speaking of hearth and hand, I was really excited to find this terracotta and glass cloche. So this was originally $20, and I got it for $8.50, and I thought that was a pretty good deal because it still has the tag on it and it had all the wrapping on it, so it was brand new and there were no flaws in it at all, so I was really pumped to find this one. And last but not least, I got this wood charger plate for $2. That's originally from Pier 1, so I snagged that as well. So once I have all of my thrift store finds, I spent about $30, which I think is really reasonable. As you can see, I got a ton of stuff, and I can really use it to decorate in a bunch of different ways. And then I like to take stock of any fall things that I already have that I've collected over the years so that I can incorporate them all together to decorate. So normally on my table, I have this little candle holder that I got at Home Goods, some little pumpkins, and a table runner, which I apologize is a little bit wrinkly, but I'm going to take most of that off. I will keep the table runner, and then I'm just adding on each of the pieces that I found at Goodwill. So I'm going to be showing you 3 different ways that I used everything that I purchased. So I'm adding some pillar candles to these, and then I'm taking that little wall decor piece that I showed you, and my idea was to take some faux flowers. You could use real flowers as well and just stick them inside. And I really like how this looks. I like how you can still see the gold, but it also has a pop of color with the flowers. Then I'm taking that little jar that I found in the flameless candle, and I like how the gold complements the decor piece, the little wall decor piece, and I'm adding some of those little pumpkins back in and my pumpkin tray with a couple of sprigs of faux flowers on top. For this little cloche that I found, I decided to fill it up with mini pumpkins. So the way that I did this was to add them to the top part and then to pick up the bottom and add it on and just sort of like wiggle it around until it all fit, and I think it looked pretty good. And I'm using that as the center of my table so then I can decorate around it. So then I'm going to be taking my garland of leaves, and whenever I do this, I like to sort of arrange it so that I can put things inside of the garland at different points. So I'm adding on that wood candle holder in one of the little bud vases, as well as those 2 taper candle holders and some tall taper candles. This one is extremely simple and might be my favorite, so I'm using the charger that I got as well as the silver taper candle holder, which I spray painted gold. And then I'm using my bud vase with some dried eucalyptus. And this wheat I actually already had, and it was just plain brown, but I decided to spray paint it a little bit gold, just a dusting at the top. And then I took some twine and did a nice little bow around it to keep it all together. And then I added that on the front of the charger, and I think this one is just so simple but really sweet. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this thrift haul and my decorating ideas. As I said, head over to Erin and Patricia's channels to see what they came up with. I can't wait to do that myself. And if you're coming from either of their channels, thank you so much for watching my video, and please subscribe if you like the type of videos that I make. I would love to have you here on my channel. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and to subscribe and turn on those little bell notifications so that you know whenever I post a new video. And I can't wait to see you guys next week for a brand new video. Bye!